Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are doing fine. Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to teach you English grammar. In this we will study chapter 14, punctuations, okay? So open your book and take out page number 73. Children, today we will learn about punctuations. What are punctuations? Punctuation help us to understand sentences more clearly and easily, okay? It separates the sentences and it help us understand it more clearly and easily, okay? Today we will learn about some of the punctuation marks. What are they? Let us see. Capital letter, full stop and question mark. We'll begin with capital letter, okay? So in capital letter we will learn 4 rules, okay? Let us see what are they. Number 1 is we should begin our sentence with capital letter, okay? Let me write one sentence for you. My class is very interesting. So here it begins with capital letter. See, sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. It can be a full stop or it can be a question mark, okay? Now we learn about number 2 rule. Number 2 rule is to write special names of people and places, okay? This means that we always write special names of people and places in capital letter. Let us see. What is my name? My name is Komal. Okay. My name is Komal. So, I'll write my name with capital letter. And here we are also following our first rule that sentence begins with a capital letter. Let us see one more example of the same sentence. I live in Kota city. So Kota is the name of a place. So we will write it in capital letter, okay? Now let us see the third rule. Third rule says that we always write pronoun I with capital letter. Wherever pronoun I comes, we write it at capital letter, okay? Rita and I are going for a picnic. So here pronoun I comes later, but still we'll write it in capital letter. So children, whenever pronoun I comes, we have to write it in capital letter. Last is for days of the weeks, months of the year and names of languages. So children, we always use capital letter for days of the week, months of the year and names of languages. Like, let us see, days. What are days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Months of the year, January, February, March, April and so on, okay? Languages can be English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Spanish, French, okay? So let us see one example. My English class is on Tuesday. Okay. So here English is the name of a language. So we will write in a capital letter. And here Tuesday is a day of the week. So we will write it in capital letter. Okay. Look here, one more example. My birthday month is January. So children, here I am telling you about my birthday month, January. So all the months of the year also comes in capital letter. So children, I hope you have understood capital letter. Now we move to full stop and question mark. Okay. So children, whenever a sentence is telling you something, that is in that sentence we use full stop. Whenever a sentence is asking you something, in that we use question mark. Okay, let us see. My dog is very naughty. So this sentence is telling me that my dog is very naughty. Okay, so it begins with capital letter and it ends with full stop because it is telling you something. Okay, now one more sentence. What is your school name? So children, here we are asking something. What we are asking, that what is your school name? Okay. So here we use question mark for punctuation. Okay. So children, I hope this is clear to you. Now let us read. We use capital letter to begin sentence, to write special names of people and places, to write I for days of the week, months of the year and names of languages. Okay. Now we use full stop at end of every sentence. When we ask a question, we end it with question mark. So what we have learned today, we have learned about capital letter, full stop and question mark. So children, we use these punctuations to understand the sentence more clearly and more easily. Okay. So children, I hope you have understood it. Children, now we will see one short video clip related to this chapter.
Catherine had to write something about her pet cat. She wrote, I have a little cat named Honey. She is very cute. She loves to play with me all day. At night, Honey curls up under my bed and sleeps. She likes to chase the ball of wool when my aunt Susie does her knitting. This makes Susie auntie laugh. One day my mother got very angry with Honey. Do you know why? Honey ate up the cake my mother had bought from the famous shop, Baker's Paradise. This is what Catherine wrote about her cat named Honey. Catherine has remembered to follow some important rules. Start a sentence with a capital letter.
So children, let us see what rules are they. Okay. Every sentence begins with capital letter and it ends with full stop. Okay. Whenever we are telling something, it will ends with full stop. Whenever we are asking something, it ends with question mark. Okay. And we will write special names with capital letter. Look here, Honey, Susie, Baker's Paradise. All these names are written in capital letter. Why? Because they are special names. Okay.
All special names also start with a capital letter. The pronoun I always starts with a capital letter. End the sentence with a full stop or a question mark. When we follow these rules, our sentence becomes easy to read and understand.
So children, here what we have learned? We have learned that a sentence always begins with capital letter, okay? Look over here, all words are written in capital letter. Then secondly, we use pronoun I in capital letter, okay? Then when we are asking something, we will use punctuation mark. Which punctuation mark? Here, question mark, okay? When we are telling something, we use full stop, okay? And children, whenever names of special person, place are given to you, we will write it in capital letter. And names of months of the year, days of the week and names of languages are also written in capital letter. Look over here, Honey, Susie, Baker's Paradise. These all are special names, so they are written in capital letter.
This is called punctuation. Let us try to punctuate these sentences. Do you know how to cycle? Tom cycled down the city streets. I can cycle, but I do not know how to get off the cycle.
So children, here let us see, do you know how to cycle? So we will change it using punctuation. So what will be the sentence? First word will be capital. Do you know how to cycle? So this is asking something. This is a asking sentence. So we will use question mark as punctuation over here, okay? Do you know how to cycle? Question mark. It will begin with capital letter, ends with question mark. Now sentence number 2, Tom cycled down the city streets. So Tom is a name of a person. It is also a first letter. So we will write it in capital letter, okay? Tom cycled down the city streets. This sentence is telling you something. So we used full stop as punctuation mark. Now look at number 3. I can cycle, but I do not know how to get off the cycle. So we will begin sentence with capital letter. I can cycle, but we have learned that we always use pronoun I as capital letter. So here we will write it in capital letter. I can cycle, but I do not know how to get off the cycle. So this is telling you something. So we will use full stop as punctuation mark. So children, I hope this is clear to you. Now children, we will move to bookwork of this chapter. Page number 73, question A. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters at suitable places. So children, some sentences are given to you. You have to use capital letter at suitable places, okay? We have learned rules of capital letter. So we have to use it on suitable places. Look at number 1. My sister's name is Anju. So here what we have learned, that it begins with capital letter. My sister's name is Anju. So here it is written in small letter. We have learned that we use special names. We use capital letter for special names of person and places, okay? So here it becomes my sister's name is Anju. M will be capital and A will be capital, okay? Now look at number 4. We have holidays in May and June. So let us write correct one. W will be capital. We have holidays in May and June. So children, here we will write M capital of May, J capital of June, because they are months of the year. Okay, we have learned and we'll write months of the year, days of the week in capital letter. Okay, so we have holidays in May and June. It begins with capital letter, M and J will be capital of months of the year, and it ends with full stop. Okay, now let us see number 5. Correct answer will be answer number 5. Okay, I, it will begin with capital letter. We have also learned that pronoun I always will be capital in a sentence. Okay, will always be capital. I love to be with my father on Sundays. Okay, so here I will be capital and S of Sunday will be capital, because we have learned that days of the week are written in capital letter. Okay, so children, here I will be capital. I love to be with my father on Sundays. Okay, S will be capital because here it is days of the week. We have learned that we write days of the week, months of the year and special names in capital letter. Okay, now children, let us move to next question. Question B. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letter, full stop and question marks at suitable places. So children, in this question we will use all 3 punctuations that we have learnt. And what are they? Capital letter, question mark and full stop. Okay, page number 74, question B. Let us see number 1. Number 1 is, what is your name? So children, here it is asking something. Okay, question is asking your name. So what it is? It is a question mark. So how we will begin? We will begin with capital letter. Okay, what is your name? Okay, so this is asking something, so we will end it with question mark. Okay, so now let us move to question 2. So children, number 2 is, who teaches you Hindi? So this sentence is also asking you something, that who teaches you Hindi? Okay, so this is also a question mark. It will begins with capital letter, W will be capital. Who teaches you Hindi? So Hindi is a name of a language. We will write it in capital letter. Okay, and it is asking question, so we will use punctuation mark, question mark over here. Okay, so children, now let us move to question number 5. Number 5 is, my name is Namita. Okay, so we will begin it with capital letter, M will be capital of my name is Namita. Namita is a name of a person, it is a special name, so we will write it in capital letter. And this sentence is telling you something, so we will use full stop as punctuation mark. Okay, we will begin it with capital letter, end with punctuation mark. Okay, and here we have used capital letter for name of a person, Namita. Okay, what is this? This is full stop. Okay, which punctuation mark we have used? We have used full stop over here. Okay, now look at number 6. I study in a school near my house. Okay, so here sentence will begins with capital letter, I study in school Near my house. Near my house. So children, this sentence is also telling you something that where you study, I study in school near my house. So it begins with capital letter, it ends with punctuation mark. Here we have used full stop as punctuation mark, okay. There is no special name over here, so we will not make use of capital letter. So children, our book work is over here. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. You have learnt use of capital letter, question mark and full stop. I hope this is clear. Thank you.